From the production of video games and movies, to finance, healthcare and spaceflight, computers play a central role in almost every area of human activity. As well as being a fun and endless source of creativity, the ability to write code and program a computer is one of the most valuable skills that you can have for your career. But if you've never written code, or your experience of it has been very limited, it can be difficult to know where to start. Which programming language should I learn? Which features of the language should I learn first? What kind of programming skills are going to be the most useful in my career? This course has been designed for anybody who wants to learn how to code, but who has little or even no prior experience in programming. It is built around Python, one of the most popular, widely used and versatile programming languages in the world, offering the ability to create almost any kind of code, from a short, simple script for data analysis to a full-blown application with a professional graphical user interface. Python can take your coding journey pretty much anywhere you want to go. You need only take a look at the long list of world-class companies and organizations that use Python to get a sense of just how versatile and powerful this wonderful language is. NASA, Disney, Industrial Light and Magic, Intel, JP Morgan Chase, Netflix, Boeing, to name just a few of them. But despite being an incredibly powerful professional programming language, Python is also one of the most accessible and easiest languages to learn. Built around a clear, efficient and easily readable syntax, Python allows you to accomplish a great deal, typically with fewer lines of code than would be necessary to tackle the same problem using many other programming languages. Which brings us to this course. We've been using Python for decades. We actually won the prestigious NASA Silver Medal Award for our work developing Python code for the NASA test mission, and we've been teaching Python for almost as long as we've been using it. The Curious Zombie started out as an education project to introduce concepts in science and technology to audiences who are new to them. This course has evolved from decades of experience teaching Python to complete beginners, ranging from individuals who wanted to learn coding for their own personal projects, to scientists at institutions like MIT and Harvard Medical School who wanted to use Python in their research. This course takes a hands-on, experiential approach to teaching Python, in which the student gets the opportunity to try and apply every programming concept that they learn by solving real-world problems in the exercises and workshops that are built around the teaching component. There's a really good and simple reason for taking this approach. In the same way that you can't learn how to drive a car just from reading a book about it, you can't learn how to code just by hearing about it in a classroom. You really start learning how to drive when you take the wheel, and you really start learning how to code when you have to write real code to solve a real problem. This is why every lesson in this course is accompanied by a set of exercises that apply what has just been taught to real-world problems, ranging from data analysis and visualization to text processing and even the design and construction of graphical user interfaces. And unlike many other Python courses, this course does not skip some of the advanced Python programming topics, such as the use of classes and object-oriented programming. Students of this course learn some of how Python works under the hood, not just because it's educational or fascinating, but because an understanding of the concepts will make you a better Python programmer, and also prevent you from falling into some of the traps that Python newbies can get stuck in. This deeper knowledge also gives you the skill and confidence to extend your learning to other areas of Python, or even to other programming languages. So if you're somebody who would like to learn how to code and are not sure where to start, this course is for you. If you're somebody who has already dabbled a little with coding, perhaps teaching yourself a few concepts from books and tutorials so that you could solve some of your own coding problems, this course is also for you. If you're somebody who has learned another programming language like Java or R and would like to transition to Python, well, guess what? This course is for you too. This short, concentrated course requires no prior coding experience to take. We have designed it to give you a firm foundation in Python that will get you from zero to serious coder as quickly as possible, whether you intend to use Python in your professional career, for your personal projects, or just for fun.